Hi, viewers, it's Melon again. For this specific episode, I strongly recommend you to watch the video because this is a very chaotic episode. So, if you're only listening to the audio, some part might be unbalanced under the circumstances. Oh, and I'm hosting this very episode. Sorry!
All right. Hello, everyone, and welcome to In Her View. My name is Melon Lemon, and I'm not your regular host, but I'm still with them right here. There's KB, Kai, Caroline, Marissa, and Shanas. Today, this is gonna be a very special episode because they don't know what's happening.
Nope.
I never know what's happening.
I don't know.
Always.
That's our day to day, by the way.
But the
We
theme
never know
today,
anything.
it's like it's trying to get to know us, meaning you guys.
Okay, vulnerability.
Any personal questions?
In private.
But is this gonna be the tissue kind or the left?
I don't think so. It is gonna be the what the fuck kind, maybe.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, Melon, but before we begin, though,
Yeah.
how do you feel to become a part of this family? Because we're moderating, so you gotta answer our question too.
Oh, sure. It's been fun watching from the behind the camera and then going through this process with this intelligent and gorgeous ladies right here. And I think me and Leah can also testify because like we're part of this in the
Course,
very beginning.
yes.
Although this what brought me to these questions.
Okay, now
you
she's
guys
gonna
can
straight
tell
to it.
us straight to it.
She's deflecting.
I know.
Look, she's even more private than me.
Yes.
I'm not deflecting, but this is. I'm gonna ask you guys, coba tolong ceritain gimana sih kok tiba-tiba project ini bisa terbentuk dan kita ada di sini hari ini.
Caroline.
Please.
Caroline, you start. The mama of the group.
Yeah.
Make it rain, baby.
Well, because we've all received a text.
It always starts with a text. It all starts with a text.
It starts with a WhatsApp text. But again, when something ends, another thing will open, right?
Us.
But we've been friends now. Differently, right? I mean, we've met each other for 4 years and a half, and also with you, Kai, me, and also Shahnaz and Marissa. We've known each other longer. Marissa and Shahnaz known each other more longer. So, but then this is what's so funny that the four of us, we do have the connection, maybe even closer now than our previous place that we've where we worked before. And so again, because of that special text, I was
Special
That was special text. And I
Keyword
cried to my
special.
husband, and he's like, "Don't worry, darling, I got you." And I'm like, "Not only me, but the girls." And he's like, "I love your girls too. Let's do it." I mean, he felt like he's like a pimp daddy. I guess.
Oh, no.
felt like a daddy.
Don't go there. Don't go there. This does cater to his ego, doesn't it?
No. But at the end of the day, but we've always, I talked to Shahnaz and also Marissa, and we've come upon that. Yeah, we should, start a project together. And then with Kai and also with KB, we've always been sisters and whatnot. And I think it melts right, it melts the mold, and here we are now, or after 12
Having fun.
episodes. Yeah,
Having
well,
fun.
with tears.
Yeah.
Oh,
Laugh
my.
and joy.
Yes.
It's
And-
part of healing.
Yeah, we do a lot of churhat. So I mean, some of you guys already know, about us more than we do ourselves. By the way.
Yep. I mean, I gotta say, it's very therapeutic watching you guys.
Yeah.
It's like also healing for the people behind the cameras, right, boys?
Banyak catatannya ya. Banyak catatannya.
It's like all the women right here, all the boys, and some girls behind the cameras.
Yeah. I mean,
Okay.
the universe has spoken, right?
Yes.
It's
It
time.
took one lunch that brought us all together,
Yes.
except for KB, who was
And
still.
yeah, and I wasn't even there, guys. She was like
She
the
was
best
getting
part.
married for the second time. Second wedding?
third one.
Third one, yeah.
She's in America.
Yeah, it was so random. When it came for me, I was like, okay, and Melon, like let's go to Lanusa. I'm like, what?
For me too. It was meant to be, kan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Anyway, so today we're gonna play games. It's a very simple games that I believe you guys already knew. It's like a would you rather and why. You have to understand why. I understand there's a lot of questions that is hard to answer or harder to answer. I don't want you guys to skate around like trying to justify the questions. Just answer and give us your reasoning.
The why.
Okay, but again, before we start, kita akan ada undian dari nomor 1 sampai 5.
Ini dapat apa?
Yeah, that's a surprise.
Nggak, just pick a number dari 1 sampai 5. Pick a number. KB.
3.
A 4. 1.
2.
Yeah. Whatever's left. Whatever's left.
What is left?
What is that? 5.
You're gonna have to. Kita salaman dulu. Pokoknya harus dilakuin.
Okay.
Okay, janji.
You want to do the tickle shake?
Tickle shake from Echa.
Myself.
Give it away.
Oh, crap.
Here's our lovely Leah, by the way.
Hi, Leah.
Be nice, Leah.
Ini
Dipakai.
harus dipakai, guys.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
What's that?
Man, that's not my color.
I think they did it on purpose.
Come on.
Oh my god. Mine is worse, babe.
Ya di double aja, guys. It's fine. But you have to say it.
What do you want? Okay.
Oh, that's Oh, best.
Wow. Yo. What's up, yo?
Can I keep this? Because this is like pregnant lady
I'm very
comfy.
Versace. Versace.
It's very on brand.
Yang mana atas, yang mana bawah? I think that's the most elegant.
Okay.
Gue untuk dapat masuknya dari mana aja nggak bisa loh.
Kamu nggak punya daster ya, Shanas?
Enggak. I have
And girls, we're gonna rock this.
interesting, very interesting.
A pacha. It's my color. That's your color.
It's also my color.
It's also my color, like winter.
Okay, guys, we go to an iftar. You guys have this.
We're ready. It goes well with your necklace.
I know. I'm gonna rock this.
No, it's
Berdiri dong. Very you.
karena dia Carol tuh selalu the stylish one yang paling keren banget.
Yeah. Okay.
Now you look like a rug.
Yeah, I do. Like Aladdin's rug, by the way. Abu.
No.
It's Louis Vuitton. Oh my god.
It's BL. So it's Vuitton Louis.
No. All right.
So on
brand with you. I'm just gonna like, okay, make it my own.
Ya kan mereka kan selalu kelihatan presentable, like you know, like and all that. Like I wanna make them humble a little bit today. Humbling. This is humbling.
Okay.
Okay.
We're ready.
Okay.
So again, pick a question. KB 1 to 10. Pilih. Nanti gue akan tanya based on the thing.
Okay,
8.
Oh God. Can I change it?
No. Would you rather live in
Why do we start with me?
Because you're the youngest. Yes, start from the youngest.
Would you rather live in a haunted house or live with your ex, and why?
God.
They're the same.
Which ex?
I don't know. Whatever.
They're kind of the same. A haunted house.
Why?
No. I feel like I can bear ghosts better than my exes.
Yeah.
That's really bad then.
I mean, we listened to the toxic relationship episode.
I was very. I agree.
Yeah. Haunted House has Casper, by the way. So
Casper's nice.
I know.
I like Casper. Casper
I
can be
mean,
my
but
best
in
friend.
Indo though, there's pocong, genderuwo, kuntilanak, and all that. Yeah,
Oh,
still.
that's fine. I'll just say hi. Can you just do your thing? I'll do mine. I feel like you can tell a ghost that. You cannot tell your ex that.
boom.
Burn.
So,
Mic drop.
haunted house. For
All right. Hang on.
Hang on. These are washed, right?
Yeah, of course.
You know, you have this like, so it's more.
I know.
Yeah.
So you can share
Tie,
the waistline.
Waistline.
Which I don't have
mine.
right now.
Okay. Ines.
Wow. Okay.
Nomor 1 sampai 10 kecuali nomor 8.
9.
I don't like that look.
That reaction was worse than mine.
Sorry, kok gue yang sampai gerah.
9.
Would you rather accidentally call your partners by your ex's name or have them done it to you? And why? I mean,
I don't like these questions, by the way.
Call my partners by my ex name.
why?
Why? Because I can explain myself better. Kayaknya gue lebih diplomatis gitu. Kalau gue yang mendengar, gitu. Jadi gue akan menduga. Kayak I like to be in control.
Sure.
I like that answer.
Yeah.
Very diplomatic.
Kan? I'm a good communicator. I can
Yes.
say like, I'm sorry. Mungkin aku lagi.
PMS.
Iya. I can come up with a reason.
Apa yang terjadi ketika lo nanti misalnya ketemu sama orang yang lebih diplomatis lagi dari lo? Atau lebih
Barack
jago
Obama?
gombal?
Oh, bisa. Ya kita lihat ya nanti. It's gonna be a mystery. Still a mystery.
Okay, fair enough. I'm not gonna, ask more. Okay, Carol.
Oh gosh. Okay. I'm very loyal. I'm gonna stick with one. I'm gonna the number.
Yeah.
Number.
One. That's
All
all
right.
right. I'm very loyal.
To a number.
One?
To a number.
number.
Okay, sorry.
Loyal to a number.
Easy question.
Oh, thank
This is
God.
perfect for you.
Okay.
Would you rather have no eyebrows or eyelashes?
No eyelashes, because I really don't have any eyelashes.
Sure.
Yeah, these are fakes, by the way, and I'm proud of it.
Leah, take notes. Because on the second sections,
right?
we'll see.
wow.
We'll see.
Okay. What did I say now? No eyebrow. No eyelash. Right?
lashes.
Okay, no lashes.
No lashes.
Yeah, I would say.
All right, Kai, pick a number.
3.
Would you rather always say everything on your mind or never speak again?
Damn.
And why?
Sorry, would you rather?
Always say everything.
Always.
You can control yourself. It's just like blue every time, at all time, 24/7.
You know what? I've been through phases of both.
You can't choose both, baby.
I know. I've been through phases of both.
Right.
Which one's better?
The first option was much better.
Yeah.
At
Speaking
least
up.
I don't have to say it. I can control when I can say it to whom.
No?
Or harus pada saat itu langsung keluar gitu.
Yeah.
Cablak.
Yeah.
Cablak.
Yeah.
I mean, it's all like,
Yeah, I know. Well, you know what? I have very minimal restraint as it is. So, like biologically, it's so hard for me to restrain myself anyway. So, yeah, the number one is like my natural me.
That is so cute.
Own it.
Zero restraint anyway.
Yeah.
all right, Marissa, pick a number.
Pick a number 7?
Oh,
Was that already?
7.
Okay.
It's still there.
Oh. I don't like your face, Melon.
This is very interesting. Okay. Would you rather be caught in a compromising positions at work or at a family gathering?
Huh? How do you mean? Gimana?
Would you rather be caught in a compromising position at work or at a family gathering? And why?
Compromising position, you mean like...
Sex.
Oh, okay. Work.
And why?
Because they're not family. I mean, with family, it's a little bit like
Over text.
a little bit too much information. But with work, it's like, oh, yeah, that's just Marissa. It's okay. Move on the next day.
Will you ever do it at work though?
Would she answer that? So that's the question.
Let me think. No, actually.
All right, fair. I'm gonna go back to KB. It's 2, 4, 5, 6, and 10.
2, 4,
5,
Five.
6, and 10.
5.
Okay. Every question, I'm like, ooh. I guess it's perfect. Would you rather have your hair pulled or your back scratched?
Come on, baby.
And why?
You're married. Let's go.
I don't like my back being
You like to scratch.
Yes, I don't
Yes.
like being scratched. I like to scratch. So
Fair enough.
that's why I keep my hair long.
Oh, hey.
Hair pulling thing. Hair, no touch the skin thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
I have to agree on that.
All right. Kai. 2, 4, 6, and 10.
2, 4, 6, 10. 10.
Would you rather have a 1-minute conversations with your past self or your future self?
Oh,
And why?
wow. I like that one.
I like that one too. Yeah.
You know what? I think
Yeah, it's very
Mhm.
Charles Dickens.
But actually, you know what? After this experience, I think I'm excited and I would like to have a conversation with my future self. Because I can roam about my past self. I can, there are different ways for you to think about the past. You don't always have to have the conversation. But sometimes it's not that I want to know what happens in the future self gitu ya. Tapi I kind of want to have a conversation about something is fresh. Because when you look into the future, I think it's like there's endless possibilities. You don't know who you're going to turn out to be, what kind of road that's going to be right in front of you gitu kan. And I think it's time we anticipate more about the future and think about it. And not think about it, but anticipate the future. Because the past is always going to be there. Yeah.
That's true.
Love that one. Yes.
Very diplomatic.
Very diplomatic. Yeah.
All right, Carol.
Good answer.
So it's 2, 4, or 6.
2, 4, or 6.
Diplomatic.
I'll do 4.
Would you rather be a genius everyone thinks is an idiot or an idiot everyone thinks is a genius?
Or an idiot?
Everyone thinks he's a genius. It's like that film Idiocracy. Oh yeah. Okay.
Oh, that's wow. Okay. Would you rather be an idiot where people think that you're a genius, or be a genius or people think you're an idiot? I'll be with the first one because I'll know myself, right? I don't need, people's agreement that I'm intelligent or not, but I know myself that I am intelligent. So like, sorry, fuck it. If you don't, if we're not in the same kind of like level of intelligence, then it's fine. And it's fine for me when people think that I'm not smart enough.
I love that answer.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yes. Don't cater for people, baby.
Yes. I mean, but you're a smart person though.
Oh, thank you. Is that question really for me? You directed that one for me, right?
You picked it.
I know. You're the one that knows the questions, Mel.
You're the one who picked it. All right, Marissa.
Oh gosh.
2 or 6?
2.
Would you rather go to jail for a year or be a homeless for a year, and why?
Wow, that's so interesting. Because both are interesting. Jail or homeless? Ooh. I think I would probably get a deeper life lesson from being homeless. Because you suffer more. And like in Stoicism, for example, the Stoics back then would practice like basically living in such poor conditions is basically to make them grateful for what they have. So maybe, wow, like a homeless person would be a life-changing experience. I mean, knock on wood, but yeah, that's what I would choose.
Sweet answer. I mean, I feel like if you go to jail, you're gonna learn
You
a
reflect
lot.
a lot.
Yeah.
It's like Nelson Mandela.
But no, like being a homeless person, you really don't know what you're going to have the next day.
Yeah.
Whether you're still going to be alive or you're going to be dead, right? Whereas when you're in jail, people still feed you.
Yeah.
There's still a roof under your head.
A kind of comfort.
All right. You ready?
Oh yeah, that leaves me with
6.
What? 6.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, but this is probably perfect for you. Would you rather go skinny dipping or join the Mile High Club?
Skinny dipping.
Why are you laughing, KB? Why are you laughing?
Do you need my reason? Do you need a reason for that? No.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Why not?
Apa ya? I love my. No.
You love
Yeah, please do share.
We're talking Indo here.
Oh, di Indonesia konteksnya.
Tapi ini kayak di public pool gitu. Enggak dong.
Can be anything.
Ya kalau malam juga.
Malam.
Public pool would be like nasty. But yeah.
Okay. Skinny dipping for sure. Why? Because I'm comfortable in my own skin. Ya udah, kasih lihat aja, mau lihat. Masa nggak apa-apa banget dilihat.
Katanya tadi jangan lihat pentilnya.
Tapi lucu juga ya kalau pentilnya ditutup tapi kayak semuanya kebuka. Jadi agak aneh gitu. Yeah.
And it's more space, no? Like the Mile High Club is just never like.
What is a Mile High Club sih?
I think when you're airborne.
Oh ya, terus ngapain? Mile High Club tuh ngapain sih?
KB, please explain.
What is that?
It's when you have sexy time.
Oh, up there.
Yes, up
In that
with turbulence.
nasty, full of germs.
No, not
Hey, unless it's first class, then it's not
I mean,
so bad.
I mean, if
She
it's
didn't
your private
specify.
jet, I mean, yeah.
So-
If it's your PJ, I mean, please.
No,
do
skinny
specify.
dipping for me, for sure. Skinny dipping.
Yeah.
Cleaner.
Yeah.
China's is like, nah. My answer is that.
skinny
I don't
dipping.
care.
Nah, skinny
Yeah.
dipping.
Okay.
All right. Okay. This goes to the next games that we're gonna have. It's a truth or drink, but we ain't no drinking today. So
I got
it's
my water.
no. It's gonna be truth or melon will remove part of your makeup.
Okay, Carol's face.
Now I understand.
Can I just drink?
Nice.
Truth or melon will
Remove your makeup.
makeup.
I'm telling you, this is spicy questions.
Okay.
Spicy as in R-rated or?
Both. And it's gonna be hard.
Marissa's like doesn't care. Like just remove my makeup now.
Like, yeah.
Mau copot bulu mata satu bebas.
Honestly, I'm hoping that you guys will answer, even though it's a hard question.
Yeah, dude.
Try. Let's
I mean, it's gonna be hard.
See how much makeup we have left on
I
our
know.
faces at the end of this.
Alright, okay. So, kayaknya lihat tadinya kan gue mau suruh mereka pilih. Kayaknya semua pertanyaan gue mau mereka semua jawab.
Okay. Can.
Okay.
Okay.
Can do.
Hit us.
Alright, Marissa, what is something that no one else knows about you?
Hah? Gimana ulangi mau?
What is something that no one else knows about you? It could be anything, literally. Hidden talent or whatever.
Bahwa saya introvert.
Tahu nggak sih semua?
Lah, oke.
Please lah.
Oh, I know.
From a mile away.
Oh iya ya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, if you know, that means it's not something that no one knows.
Ya. You're right.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I know mine.
Yeah, okay, you can go.
Orang kira gue gak suka MSG padahal gue suka banget Milady.
Oh gemes.
Yeah. You're always eating healthy.
Oh iya benar.
But I love Milady.
There you go.
There you go.
Yeah,
Now you know.
human.
Now you know. I mean, anybody can answer. Like while you're think you're
Thinking.
Yang orang lain tuh maksudnya orang.
literally the whole world to know.
Oh, wow, that's hard.
Yeah, because I'm an open book.
Yeah.
People don't.
Or I would like to think that I am.
Kenapa gue punya banyak banget di kepala gue?
Oh, this and this. I think for me, it's the best time I find for myself for self-reflection is at very early in the morning, at like 6 o'clock. I sometimes would get up and just spend some time by myself outside. I feel like my husband don't even know this. So
He doesn't know
Okay.
you wake up so early.
these are days. So it's interesting. It's only days when he also doesn't wake up early. So when I wake up and I still see him asleep, I'm like, I'm gonna take this time for myself.
Menarik.
See, now my husband knows.
Everyone knows.
Now you know.
Apa ya? I'm quite an open book, but okay. Do we have to go there? Because I feel like I have no guilty pleasures. Not really.
Go there.
So I go there.
Whatever there is.
Okay, so when I was 13 to 14, bless you. When I was 13 to 14, I hid my self-mutilation scars very, very well. Nobody knew. Nobody wants to know anyway. So
How are you now?
Oh, long process.
Okay.
We're here, am I? We're here.
Yes?
Yep.
Yep. Gonna be here for a long time.
Yeah.
And then
Please,
that.
ma'am.
All right. Carol, Marissa.
I'm confused.
Sama, gue
I'm like,
juga. Gue juga sama.
everybody knows about me, you know? Like I'm such an, I even talk about my husband with you guys all the time. So, what is it? Oh.
Apa ya? Soalnya mungkin karena
Somebody came out of anger.
mungkin
I
karena
wish I had, and then I can tell you guys. No,
Maybe it's a Gen X thing.
No.
Gak tahu.
kita Gen X kayak.
I know. It's like,
Enggak, mungkin karena gue sama Carol ngerasa bahwa kita nggak terlalu banyak mensensor diri sih. Jadi kita bingung gitu. Apa sih sebetulnya yang diumpetin? Ya nggak kayak. Kalau gue sih ngerasanya gitu ya.
we talk about our parents,
Yeah,
we talk about our
yeah.
spouse, we talk about our lives.
Ya. Jadi kayak emang apa gitu. Nggak ada yang.
Oh, you make good scones.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Her apple pie is really good.
Oh,
You can bake.
Yeah, she's good.
there you go.
She's good.
Something.
Yes.
But I mean, these girls they know that I bake.
I didn't know.
Okay. Ya saya suka manggang kue di dapur. There you go.
Buka PO sama Marissa kita kalau mau.
See?
Kalau lewat saya tambahin 10% ya.
Iya.
Pesannya lewat saya.
Carol.
I don't know. Like seriously, I'm trying to. Okay. I don't fart in public. I go to the restroom.
We all know that. We all know that.
Aku nggak tahu.
I never toot.
Aku nggak tahu.
I never toot like in a public space. Even at my house, I always go to the bathroom.
You never feel like you
I
need to
never
go and you
burp
just can't
or
hold
toot.
it?
I can't hold it. Like I know when it's coming out. I would go to the restroom. Like I would never like slip. That's what my husband had said. 12 years.
Wow, talking about self-control.
Talk about self-control.
That's like rigid, man. Like that's how rigid I am.
How
as
does
a
she even
person.
walk to the toilet?
Like
I control it. Like, I don't know. I mean, that's probably something that my husband and my family know. Because like I never.
Itu keren
heard my
sih, Kay.
mom and my dad.
That's a skill, yo.
Like in my family before.
Strong
We've
kegels.
never heard like. Never heard my mom, never heard my dad, my brother, my sister, never.
She
So
works
then
out.
that's why I was surprised, you know, having a husband who is really all out. I'm like, can you suck it in, please? And go to the loo.
Train your pelvic floor muscle.
mungkin beda angin Jakarta sama angin LA ya.
Probably. Yes. It's the climate.
Gila kalau lagi acara ibu-ibu Bayangkari gimana juga?
I don't know, like I hold it. Yes.
Is that happens? Like bener-bener pengen, I don't know, like kentut or burping?
Well, I always make sure that I always do my number 1 and number 2 before I leave the house, especially if I know that I have this the wifey organization event is going to be the whole day. And this is one thing. I can't go to a bathroom where the toilet is
Jongkok?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
It needs to be like a seated toilet. I don't know how to maneuver it, you know? Like
Yeah.
Squat.
I know, but like, and you see, like, I can't. You ask me, you know, Echa was like saying, when one day we're going to be posted somewhere where I was like,
toilet.
before I go there, make sure that every toilet has a seated toilet, please. Like, I don't know. Like, I can't see it and it won't come out. I've tried
Really?
it before.
It won't come out.
It won't come out.
Malah bukannya lebih gampang kalau jongkok ya.
I heard it's more healthier, right?
Nggak tahu healthy apa.
Yeah,
tapi
because
kan
it's
lebih
like,
gampang.
yes.
Gravity.
Yeah.
But it's like my ass and my thigh just need to be seated down for it all to come
It's
down.
the comfort
That is
of-
something you guys did not know about.
We survive.
Yes.
Okay, move on.
Learn something every day.
Yes.
Okay.
Did I just talk about toot and burp?
Yes, you did. You toot and you burp.
You finally did.
There you go. So, second question, Ines.
Yes.
What is the strangest rumor that you've heard about yourself?
Oh.
Oh, strangest.
Yes, right. Like aneh banget aja. It doesn't have to be like. It could be
rumor yang
like
paling
funny,
aneh.
weird, whatever.
Apa ya? Kalau dulu gue pernah digosipin, tapi ya gosip beda lah ya, nggak strange juga, kayak standard gossip.
What is standard gossips?
I don't know. Apa ya rumor tentang gue? I don't know.
Kamu nggak pernah dengar ya dari orang lain gitu?
I don't even want to know.
Oh yeah.
Kayak sometimes kan random, by the way temen lu datang kan kayak, gue denger ini kayak what the fuck gitu kayak.
Gue denger kalau lo aneh, iya. Gitu. Terus gue denger kalau lo suka anjing ya, suka gitu kan.
Ya, itu gak aneh.
Itu aneh, apa ya?
Anybody?
Oh yeah.
Can you guys help me?
I'm the one. This is one rumor that I heard about myself. Gue pernah dirumorin katanya satanis.
No, that's cool. That's cool. Pretty cool.
Right? That's pretty cool.
Like how? I wanna know how.
Umur berapa kan?
Umur 13, 14.
Ya ampun, anak-anak tuh kadang-kadang.
Were you were the
I
goth?
was the goth girl. I was the witchy goth girl. All in black,
I got it.
listening to Marilyn Manson.
That means you
Succeeded at that time.
Yeah, I succeeded at that time. Tapi
Yeah.
tetap setiap hari Minggu ngaji, Bo.
Yeah, balanced life.
No, I was never a Satanist. I just saying, but that's the rumor.
Ya ampun.
Gue gak tahu.
How did you encounter
Itu
that
rat
when you heard about it?
You know, I laughed my ass off right
Yeah.
That's cool though.
Yeah.
Nah,
But
itu
I was
cool.
like, but you know what? I was like, I'm into those things. I'm into the spiritual things, just not that way, but like, it's interesting. It's interesting.
Ya kalau gue nggak ada kayaknya. Gue pernah diromorin dulu kalau gue meniduri seseorang untuk bisa menjadi seorang presenter. Itu di sana tuh.
Kantor yang pertama, kantor yang kedua.
Kantor yang pertama, of course.
Wow.
Kantor yang pertama. Terus gue bilang gini ke dia, ke rumor itu. Kalau gue bisa ditidurin sama laki-laki, gue gak cuma jadi presenter, gue jadi owner. Dari TV.
Snap.
Ada dong.
That's a good comeback.
Yeah.
Ada, ya makanya ngapain gitu kan. Kalau gue cuma jadi presenter dan gue bekerja tetap gitu ya. Di sini gue karena emang kredibilitas gitu loh.
Yeah.
Kayak, I mean look at me.
Yeah. Hell yes. Fab. That
Ya
weird.
udah, itu tapi gak aneh sih. Itu kayak lazim terjadi.
Itu masih rumor. Masuk.
Itu masih rumor.
Masuk.
Ya, tapi itu tidak menyakiti gue ya. Gue malah kayak gitu.
And I'm good looking, you know.
You know what I mean?
I got one. I mean, I think this is like these rumors always come whenever I move to places just because of my face. I have this rest bitch.
resting bitch face.
face, right?
Yeah.
So the rumors is she's all this America girl. So America girl.
Atau so
No.
American.
S-O-K. So America girl, although she thinks that she's all that, you know, because she was, born and raised there. And like, she felt like she's above us all because like her face is like, she doesn't smile. Well, I mean, I'm telling you, when you're in a meeting with me with 200 other women and I just landed from an 18 hours flight, you will come and see me looking like I'm a piece of shit right now because I feel it like that, right?
Yeah.
It's a good thing that I still go to the meeting. I try to smile, but I was just resting. And they thought that when they look at my face that I was
just a
looking at
resting
them.
face.
Yes.
It's not a resting bitch
But I always get that because I'm not that smiley kind of person. I'm sorry, like your face. Like people always smile in your face. But when they see me, I have to make an effort to smile. You know what I mean?
I'm also the same way.
Right? When we're just like this, right? Like nothing, like no, like headspace is nothing. I just want to like look at one spot. I don't smile. Like,
Iya.
And I was like that after an 18 hours
Tapi aku
flight.
kok gak pernah ngerasa kamu kayak, ini orang kenapa sih mukanya? I never felt that about you. No?
I mean, it's just because I think I'm amongst the people, my friends. Then, you will get something out of me. But it's people that I don't know. You can't really expect me to like, I mean, there are some people like that, but it's just not me.
Ada.
Like, hi, how are you? No, I'm like probably, hey, how are you? What's up? You good? Okay, bye. Because I don't know you that well, right? But there are some other women like, everyone, they would come like, hi. I would want to be like that. But it's just not in my system, And
Don't change the way you are.
Yeah. But sometimes
It's so exhausting.
sometimes when you are in this organization, people, look up to you and think that, you should portray this somewhat kind of personality and you don't.
You do know what the best thing about a resting bitch face is? We don't get smile lines.
That's right.
Bener juga.
Yeah.
We don't get semalam.
Aku langsung
Fair.
So that rumors has always been around wherever I go.
yeah.
We don't have to.
Oh, we have 2 left. Let's see. Oh, there's this one time some dude made up a rumor that I slept with him because I said no to going out with him.
Yeah.
Classic.
Been there, done that.
Classic.
Yeah, annoying.
Classic dude.
Yeah, well.
That's why he made that gossip about you.
Mamar.
Wait, I don't know.
Feel no?
Right?
Oh yes. No, I do. Yang itu kayaknya kemarin aku sempet share juga yang waktu aku umur 16 atau 17 digosipin foto bikini itu. Padahal perempuan itu yang foto bikini gue sampai bingung kenapa lo jadi ngomong gue itu lo aja itu kan. Why? That was a strange behavior and rumor.
Foto bikini. Buat toko emas gak?
Buat
Mentil
kalender.
lagi nggak mentil nggak?
Mentil dan mentil.
Oke, next question. Dari tadi mereka jawab semua ya. Gue senang sih, gue senang. Gue senang.
Yang susah dong.
Oke, ini kayaknya agak susah.
Oke.
Who's the last person you stalk on social media or Google? Show me your phone. Show me your fucking phone.
Oh, I can do
Stop
it.
di mana?
Social media means like Instagram?
Yeah, whatever.
Shit, I don't
Or
even have
just
my
Google,
phone here.
Or Google. Where's your phone?
I just Google Stephen Graham. Karena gue habis nonton Adolescence.
Oh iya.
Iya.
Siapa ya yang gue stok ya?
Stephen Graham.
Tapi ini karena kemarin
I don't have
dia
it.
nge-tag gue, jadi pasti kebuka bukan karena stalking.
Oh, yang di stok harus orang Indonesia ya.
Ah, itu tambahan Ines ya. Gue sih
Wait.
I don't know. I don't even have my phone here. It's like,
I don't stalk people.
you can.
Is the question last person that we talked
Justip
or
Mall Jakarta.
Just apa?
Mine is
Justip Mall
Caroline
Jakarta
Rahmat.
tuh.
Hey, girlfriend.
Oh, mine is Crazy Alexa because she
Di
tagged me on a post
depan.
yesterday.
Hey.
I was like, because she tagged me on a post
Coba
yesterday.
lihat.
That's it.
Yeah.
And couple of brands.
Ini Google kan maksudnya? You want
Segitu
Google
nggak
or?
keponya.
Oh, no, I did stalk this account that you sent.
Stephen Graham.
The search.
Still.
Right?
The search kan?
Google gue.
Next right here.
Google gue bukan orang tapi Shul.
wow.
I was no karena
No, harus orang cari.
Nggak ada.
Tek sampai ketemu orang.
Oh no.
Tek sampai ketemu
lah
orang.
ya udah nih gue kasih lihat ya. Kalau orang nih ya kesaksian mantan jenderal yang dulu berupaya hapus dui fungsi ABRI. Saya melawan
bermuatan
arus
politik.
dan dikeroyok. Agus Wijoyo pensiun dengan pangkat Letnan Jenderal merupakan satu dari sedikit perwira TNI yang lantang berbicara tentang penghapusan dui fungsi militer. Ya itu yang saya stok.
Aduh.
Siap.
Itu keuntungannya dia gak punya sosmed kali ya? Kalau
Iya betul. Habis yang satu
Aktor dan aktris ya banyak. Oh, musisi.
Google.
Song Gi-hun. A video game character. There you go.
Ayo.
I don't know why this is in my Google though.
Dari
Your
terus.
kids? Your kids project?
For Squid Game?
Yeah.
KB.
Can you? It's Can you edit newsletter on Squarespace after posting? I'm very gaptek as you can see. Yeah, I identify myself as a Johnson.
Yeah.
Gila ya? Segitu gak keponya kita ya? Iya. Wow, keren banget loh.
Gue kepoin wisewoman.nik.
Iya, iya makanya.
Wise woman dot.
Yang
Kemarin,
Iya, karena kan informasi.
Iya, informasi.
Kita perempuan-perempuan
Oh sama
informasi.
sebelumnya gue kalau yang satu itu yang paling atas Hi Crazy ya. Itu karena dia nge-tag gue di post, so that's not stalking.
No, that's not
Tania
stalking.
Olga juga karena kemarin gue nginterview dia and she also tagged me, so that's not stalking. Oh, pound cakes and cookies.
Ada beberapa brand.
That's stalking. Because we
There you
want
go.
it.
Yeah, exactly. I was
Not so fun ya.
Yeah. Yeah.
Gak ada yang kepo ya?
It's alright. We move on to the next
Are we
question.
boring?
Yeah.
You're boring. You have a life.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. There you go. So, what's one responsibilities you wish you didn't have? No guilt.
What?
What responsibility we wish we didn't have? Oh, menarik.
Oh, I know. Bayar gaji karyawan.
Emang kamu bayar gaji karyawan?
Bayar dong. Kalau ada yang mau bayarin
iya,
boleh
iya.
loh. Iya dong.
Yeah.
Monetary reasons aja.
Untuk
Yeah.
staff yang
Iya.
oke. Wih,
Carol's like,
responsibility.
Dia kalkulasi deh soalnya. Itu realistis aja
Iya,
buat
iya.
gua.
Kan no guilt and no judgment here.
So can we
Space?
RT that? Can we retweet what she said?
Sure.
Yeah.
Iya kan?
Yeah, that's true.
Kalau
Especially
mereka-
leading up to this
Iya kan?
season.
The season. Oh my God, the season. THR, pajak.
All in one.
Gak ada yang lain.
Apa ya?
I think I'm pretty okay with my responsibilities. Nggak ada yang jadi kayak beban banget. Kecuali gini sih, mungkin bersih rumah. Kadang-kadang kalau ada yang bantuin enak. Cause I clean it myself.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh sama kalau Pablo bisa jalan sendiri dan pulang ke tempat yang benar.
Buka pintu ya. Sana jalan. Balik lagi.
Pernah dicoba belum?
Pernah balik, selalu balik. Cuma kan abis itu gue di WhatsAppin tetangga ya. Kayak ya udah Pablo jalan, Pablo boleh jalannya di tempat yang bener nggak gitu. Jangan mampir-mampir. Dia soalnya mampir-mampir.
Yes.
Nemu pacar kali.
Banyak. Wah dia kalau
Oh, that's probably why.
Seseorang lagi, seseanjing.
Seekor.
Oh, I've got one. I wish my plants can feed themselves.
Oh yeah, oh my God, aku lupa nyiram tanaman. Yes, you're right.
Yeah. I have one, but still. One plant.
In the house. One in the house.
Yes.
It's still alive.
Yes.
Barely.
Yeah.
Lidah mertua atau pothos atau apa?
That's a good question. I should ask my husband. My job is green.
It's a plant. It's
Water
green.
it.
Yeah.
It's green.
Is it a snake plant?
Yeah,
Move on.
snake plant. Yeah, lidah mertua.
Yes.
Oh itu mah
I
nggak
think Miss Earth would have snake plants in her house.
Yes.
To clean the air naturally.
That is true.
Yeah, sorry. I need to
Yeah, lidah mertua.
research my plant vocab. I'm more of an animal person.
Ya,
No
boleh.
judgment. No judgment here.
But yes, that plant.
All right. The next question. When was the last time you wanted to hit somebody?
Oh, yesterday.
Siapa kemarin?
Gini ya, gue udah bilang 1000 kali kalau gue tuh punya Jedi power. Udah banyak banget yang mati di depan gue. Thank goodness, I don't have any power, superpowers. The last time I want to hit someone, or the last time I hit someone, I did hit someone.
No, when was the last time you wanted to hit
But-
somebody?
Oh, okay.
I didn't ask why and who, so that was just a question.
Oh.
You don't need to explain.
Kapan gitu?
Yesterday.
Okay.
Okay.
I can't remember. It's too long. Too long ago.
Ooh,
Yeah.
you got it under control.
Ya. Tahu nggak karakter strength aku yang pertama? Kalau misalnya nanti tes ya, from University of Pennsylvania is self-regulation and self-control. Wow. Jadi kayaknya gue nggak inget gitu kapan terakhir kali gue memukul orang. Cause I grew up with violence. Jadi kayaknya no.
Iya, itu menarik sih. Tapi gini, gue tuh ya sering banget mikir dulu kalau gue marah tuh nggak boleh gitu ya. Kayak gue tuh sering banget, karena I was a very emotional person. Tapi terapis gue bilang, Nes, marah itu manusiawi loh. Di dalam kepala lo boleh marah.
Boleh. Marah
Jadi-
dan mukul beda ya Nes?
Iya, makanya kan mikir pengen ya. Tapi nggak harus dikasih lihat
Yeah,
gitu.
correct.
Mikir pengen kayak marah tuh nggak apa-apa, dia bilang kayak lo tuh nggak boleh menghukum diri lo kalau lo marah karena nggak apa-apa banget marah tuh gitu. So I'm like,
I mean, there's always healthy anger and healthy aggression, right?
Betul.
Is it hit someone or something? Can something be?
Bisa.
I never really want to hit anyone. It's just something. You know, when you're just so like,
Sure.
probably a month ago when I was PMSing and I just really want to hit something. Not necessarily anyone. It was just, and I wasn't mad at anyone. I was just hormones. Yeah.
Sure.
Hormones. Can't
You know
control.
what? If it comes to that, I probably have zero self-regulation, except if it's my kids. Karena gue tuh, or at least you will see it in my face. Kayak gue gak bisa kayak Ines yang bahkan gak terlihat di muka, tapi lo tetap mikir gitu, gue gak bisa loh.
Karena di muka kelihatan maksudnya.
Gue pasti di muka kelihatan.
Iya loh. For
Kayak
sure.
kalau gue
Kan kamu gak
sampai
ada sensor sayang.
Benar. So when it comes to a point where I really feel like or I think I want to hit somebody, you will know it.
Yeah.
Tapi itu udah lama enggak?
Iya kan?
Ya.
Good job. That's superpower, guys. Self-control.
Yes.
is
Udah lama enggak?
a superpower.
Sampai segitunya ya.
Wow.
Carol?
You want to hit someone or you want to kill someone? That's different. That's a
even
different
stronger.
question,
Sure.
right?
Whatever.
Kill 2023.
Wow.
Very specific.
There's no reasoning, right? But hit because I'm so freaking annoyed almost every day with my 2 boys. Yes. But I control myself because I don't want to. But hit with love and spanking because I'm that type I'm not gentle parenting here because sometimes they're just like, woo, mama is in a crazy mode, Ryan and Razan. I love you so much, but sometimes. Yeah, I just wish that like spanking is still okay now. No.
Not illegal. Apa emangnya ngapain sih
Spanking
mereka
a little bit, but
yang bikin lu pengen
oh,
sampai
there's a lot. I mean, I have a 12-year-old and 8-year-old. I mean, like talk about boys in that age.
Ya, energinya kan besar banget.
12-year-old now can talk back, even though like very respectively, but talks back to me, Ryan. Sometimes I'm like, oh my gosh.
Yeah,
But I do understand nowadays it's so different. I think that I got spanked by my mom and my dad when I was a kid before. So that is something that I want to break the chain. So I don't do it. But like in my head,
Yeah.
hell yeah.
Tapi ya sih.
I mean, like time out. I mean, now it's like time out.
Yeah,
Let you cry, whatever, and then like grounding. Grounding is very pivotal in our household.
Yeah.
No holding your gadgets, no eating out. Whenever that you do something that is wrong. So, this just happened today in the morning. It turns out that my son, my 8-year-old, was saying something. A bad word, and the teacher was contacting me and my husband today early in the morning, telling that Razan was very emotional, saying this one thing, and we asked him, "Where did you learn, to say that?" And then he said, "From a friend." And then so we said, I said, "What you said? It's a form of an animal, right?" So then I told them like, I didn't say it to anyone, mommy. I said it to myself because I was angry because my friends won't let me answer the question. So I said that word. So I said, okay. And I'm very gently and nicely, why don't you sit like one? Let's try to eat like one. Try to drink water like one. Do it now, Razan. Like, no, mommy. No. Now I understand. But I did say it nicely, directly, strongly. Yeah. And then he's like, I know I shouldn't do that anymore. And it's like grounding, no basketball practice, no basketball games. There's no gadget during the weekend for the next week, and no eating out. And we know that he loves to eat.
Yeah. Little one.
Yes.
Eating out is the hardest thing,
Yes.
probably.
I mean, they
Lesson
probably
learned,
want to like shift to you as a mom.
I would be a bad mom in a way that I'd be like, if I saw Razan, I would be like, no,
He gave me the
mommy.
puppy eyes.
Yeah, I would melt.
I was like, no.
I would melt. I'd be like,
That's
okay,
me.
darling, it's
Yeah.
fine. It's
That's me.
I have to because I want my son to be strong. They will be the imam of of their family, and
true.
the world is a really harsh place, and I'm not gonna baby them. And me and Echa, we don't know until when we're going to live in this world, and you need to survive on your own. So gotta put that. Yes.
All right. Did you enter?
Yes.
Did I? Yes. My I can't remember when it was the last time. It was a long time ago.
All right. So, name someone you've pretended to like but couldn't stand.
Name.
Oh
God.
Pretended to
Someone's got to give. We have to remove some makeup, guys.
Pretended to like tapi sebelah nggak suka ya.
Yeah.
Wah,
Itu
gila.
kayaknya-
susah.
okay,
Makeup remover. Makeup remover.
Yeah, makeup remover. But
I mean-
I think the same name
Lihat deh,
pops
lihat
up
deh, nggak apa-apa.
probably in our heads.
Kenapa? Kamu aja.
Yeah.
Hai
Kamu aja,
Lia
kamu aja.
Astria, masuk dong in
This
frame.
is our creative.
Yeay.
Ini kayaknya kalau pertanyaan
Nggak, ini Lia inget ya. Ini bukan remove-nya harus kayak partly doang. Misalnya cuma ini doang.
Oh.
Do me.
Lucu banget. Loh, karena kamu nggak bisa jawab.
I'm not gonna answer this
Oh,
for sure.
Kalau musisi gitu boleh nggak?
Bebas.
Okay, I
Oh,
got,
is it
I got
bebas
one.
or like it has to be a person that we know in our
name
life?
one.
I got one.
No. Hold on. It's like a name someone you've pretended to like,
Yes.
but couldn't stand. Yeah,
So
okay.
this girl, Rachel.
Oh,
She's not.
Rachel who?
I don't know her last name.
Oh wow. Okay.
So she is. So my husband and I, when we were in the States just a couple months ago, we met his friend from college,
terus?
and he brought his wife, Rachel.
Oke.
And I just really don't like her. She's just, she has the personality of a wet dog. Like,
Wet dog.
it's just.
Depresif.
Mel, my face.
Coba lihat.
States. Wait, what?
Nggak ada perbedaan.
This girl just had no personality, and just
What does a wet dog do?
just
Depresif kali.
yeah, just like.
Yeah, what
Like
is
a
a
wet
wet
blanket,
dog?
ya.
Yeah, it's just like a wet blanket. You just don't want it's so uncomfortable to be around that person.
Stinky and soggy.
Yeah, but just the energy. She's not actually literally stinky. Well, I mean,
Makeup remover.
She's what?
Oh, kamu juga nggak bisa.
just not a fan. Okay.
Okay,
I'll stop there.
Okay. All right.
In case she's watching. We didn't have to say why, right? Oh, oops.
Oops. It came from the heart.
Pretended to like.
Mel,
Yeah.
kalau nggak ada gimana?
Makeup
Oh,
remover.
beneran? Enggak, maksudnya gini.
Hapus.
Kalau gue nggak suka sama orang, ya udah, gue nggak suka. I won't even pretend that I like this person.
Fair.
Yeah.
Karena buat apa?
Itu.
Ya udah nggak apa-apa.
Nggak apa-apa ya.
Ya, ada salahnya.
Ya udah.
Belum lama ini. Iya,
Well, I think we know sometimes where we have to pretend because we have to, and we have to see that person over and over again
sure.
without our choice, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I know.
Yes.
Case like I had to meet
I
her
mean-
once, and that was it.
And if I say the names here, I'll be dead. Like,
Fair. Let's not.
yeah.
Safety issue.
Yeah.
Aku ada, tapi aku don't pretend. Jadi ini adalah seorang cowok yang dia mantannya salah satu sahabatku yang bikin sahabatku nangis parah. Dan pada saat mereka ini pun juga mereka dating juga aku selalu ngerasa bahwa ini orang kenapa sih? Kayak gue tuh nggak tahu dia ini siapa. And now that he broke her heart, I never pretended in front of you that I liked you. Oh, if you see me now, you're going to see how much I don't like you.
And she's saying that straight to the camera. It's like, you got the message, right? dude?
So was that the last person you wanted to hit in your head?
Hit sih enggak.
Kill.
Santet.
Cuma kayak lu ngeliat mata gue aja lu udah tahu bahwa what you did to my best friend is not right.
Yeah.
Second that. Karena gue juga pasti orangnya tahu gue gak suka sama dia. Selalu tahu.
Kita cukup transparan di muka.
Dan muka gue udah, no you're not welcome here. Gitu. Banget.
All right, next question. This is fun. Have you ever faked an orgasm?
Wow.
Oh, no. A lot.
No.
A lot.
No.
A lot.
Shana.
Udah belum? Udah.
Oh no.
A lot.
Pernah.
Kamu bersihin lagi. Bersihin lagi. Karena gak mau jawab.
Pernah.
No, I haven't.
No, never. Kalau enggak ya enggak aja.
Iya.
Kalau misalnya dia bilang, kamu udah belum? Enggak.
belum.
Ya enggak apa-apa, it's okay. Yuk udah selesai gitu. Udah.
Yeah. Same.
We did had a
Yeah.
fight because of it because I'm truthful, but yeah.
Oh.
No, because I think he felt like, why? No, he kind of like self-doubted
Meligo
himself.
ya,
Yes.
Meligo.
Oh, fake-nya tuh sampai mana?
That just happened once though.
Acting gitu. Acting sih enggak, cuman
Mean.
dia kira udah.
Dia kira udah.
Terus gue tidak menyangkal ya udah.
Gue juga kayak gitu sih.
Sedih kali.
That is
Okay.
painful.
Okay. Next question.
It ain't too spicy with us, huh? Yeah.
I mean, I want makeup to be removed.
Yeah.
But where's the riskiest place you've done it? Sex.
Oh.
Kolam renang.
Nice.
Marissa.
A private villa.
Oh yeah gitu. Oh.
It's just like
Okay.
private villa in a pool.
Riskiest place.
I got it. Changing room.
Oh, girl, that's sexy. I like.
Yeah.
Me. Balcony?
Oh, I like that too. In Paris?
I wish.
Because you see a lot of that in Paris.
In Kalibata.
Iya. Above 30 deh kayaknya. Yes, above 30. Balkoninya
Looking at the city lights.
Kebuka dong. Kalau ketutup kaca bukan nggak menarik.
Kitchen table.
The hat. I like that.
Table's always good.
Girl.
There's a lot. So I'm like,
It's cute.
Which one to pick?
at their spa room, I guess. Couple spa.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Where's the therapist?
Therapistnya suruh keluar.
The therapist.
Because they sometimes give you
The jacuzzi.
time to like change and
the
do
jacuzzi,
the jacuzzi.
after the
Yeah,
massage.
yeah,
There's this like
yeah.
the
I got you, girl.
whirlpool.
Yes.
Yes, and with the no, because I'm trying to tap more of the blush on.
Natural glass on.
I know, naturally come out pink. Come on, let's go.
Ini tuh kayak tukeran referensi sebenarnya ya.
Oke. Where to next? Langsung
Okay, I'll share you some right here.
Okay, this is gonna be tougher. Who do you think is the worst dressed person in the room? This room.
Right
Worst
now?
dress? Semuanya kita berlima, no?
No. Like other than this.
Can we say
room?
this?
Huh?
Can I say Carol?
Wow, thanks.
No, it grows on her.
Girls on
Thanks.
Because as long as it's black and pink, it will be fine for her.
In general.
In the room.
So I can say Carol.
There's a lot of people here.
They're all good. Y'all
Gak ada sih gue.
Gak ada yang aneh. Amat soalnya.
Iya, ini bukan aneh, worst aja. If you have to pick.
No?
Enggak sih, gue gak bisa. Kayak
Everyone looks good in black.
kalau gue lihat
Practical gitu loh, practical semuanya.
Iya, susah
Ambil
Beb.
pakai daster, cuy. But that's like
Enggak,
normal.
enggak ada sih.
Liberating.
Daster, man.
Admit defeat.
Oke, you.
Sure.
Ribet banget.
Not even Melon, I like her
Yeah.
style.
Thank you.
Biar ada jawaban aja.
Kan fake aja biar lewat aja.
Moving on. Rate everyone playing, which means you guys, from your most to least favorite.
Wow. No, that's off limit.
No.
No.
Get rid of my makeup.
Yeah.
Off limit.
Yeah.
Because I don't. I like all of
No,
you.
actually, I will just tell the truth. I like all
I
of
like
them.
all of you.
So,
The same.
if you want to remove my makeup
Fine.
by telling the truth, nggak apa-apa juga.
Hashtag sikap.
Yes, I do want to remove their makeups. Please, Astria.
Let's do it.
Ini aku cabut satu, bulu matanya nih.
I can't take it off my
Aku nggak. Aku juga nggak pakai.
Kok milih? Gitu. How is this milih now? Oh my god, this is so hot, guys.
It is a very sunny day,
Yes.
and there are a lot of people in the room.
I love how Emma's just like, my lashes.
I'll do it for you.
Well, I was telling the truth, but at the same time, ya udah kalau gue harus hapus makeup ya nggak sih, Beb?
You
It'll save time for me later.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, Mbak Rena. Food is here.
Hey. Ya ampun, gemes banget sih.
shading.
Oh, Bobo, gemes.
I mean, actually, thank you for doing this favor, Melon, and also Malia. Then we can go home already like clean.
Yes. Well,
Fresh.
I'm still working after this.
Iya kan bisa pasang lagi.
Oke, sambil hapus ya, biar kita timingnya enak.
Terus,
Next question. Who would you call in the room to help you bury a body?
Shahnas.
I'm fit. No way. Yeah.
Strangely, yes, I was thinking of
She has Jedi power.
Yeah.
Kenapa ya?
No, only because
Shanas.
I know to her it wouldn't sound weird.
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
If I called her and I said, okay, an accident happened, help
And I
me
won't
with that.
judge you.
Iya,
I'll
kayak
just help you.
kayak ya udah Mamar yuk gitu. Kayak aku tuh bisa kebayang.
Yeah.
Ya udah yuk Mat.
Karena pasti buat dia nggak aneh
Yeah.
gitu.
I'm thinking if it's KB, like, babe, what happened? Like, what did you do? Like, what am I? Wait, what am I supposed to do?
That's me calling you.
Yeah.
That
For
will
me.
be your response, you know.
Yeah, I would
I'm the
never.
last
I would never
person.
ask for any explanations.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's why I would call her.
Yeah.
I will ask like who?
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you kill?
And then again, she probably would
Kalau
see,
Shanas
right?
pasti nggak banyak tanya. Dia langsung oke Mamar.
Yeah. If it's
Lemon,
if it's
guys.
Lady M, will
Thank you
be
for the
like,
trust, though.
Carol, what happened? Why did you kill that person? Darling, I will help you, darling. But just tell me first, why did you kill that person? How did you do it?
See how much she knows me, right?
And then she's gonna go so impatient, like, but I really have to do it right now.
Just let me bury
He's
the
been
body
dead for like
first.
10 minutes, Ma. We need to do it now.
Oh, that is so
darling,
funny.
you just wait. I'll be there in 5 minutes.
Shut up! Shut up!
That's Marissa. That's Marissa.
That's true.
Yeah. Kai will be like, okay, babe, I'll help you, but it's just like I'm pregnant right now. I don't think I can hold it. So I don't, you know,
Actually,
I'll
dan
be
dia
there.
akan ngomong terus selama lo lagi narik.
Yeah, like,
Ini ya.
the Carol,
We don't
the
need
head.
you to talk.
Carol,
We need you to do this.
the Carol, please.
Yeah.
Is the head.
Banget.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, so funny.
To close this sessions, I guess that was the last question because of timing.
Okay, yes,
Because of
yes.
this. I want you guys to sum up this whole season, the first seasons,
Yeah.
in 5 words.
Oh, 5 words.
Five words.
Harus 5 atau kurang dari 5 bisa?
Harus 5.
Harus 5.
Just because there's 5 of you.
Oh.
Nggak tahu sih.
Yeah, tapi
of us each is
no,
five.
each is 5.
Aku.
Yeah,
Each is 5.
Vulnerability is real and beautiful.
Oh, I love that.
5 words. It's a sentence of 5 words.
Oh, it's right.
You don't have to do a sentence.
You don't have to do something.
Okay.
Gila kayak cerdas cermat.
You go first.
Therapeutic.
Tapi nggak boleh ngambil yang tadi udah
Iya,
diambil
iya.
sama Mare.
Did you say therapeutic?
No, I said vulnerability is
vulnerability.
real
I
and
was just-
beautiful.
Therapeutic. Chaotic.
Yeah.
I've only thought of 2. Can I come back?
Okay, for me, safe, warm, messy, fun, and powerful.
I love it. Okay, I'll add to mine. Colorful.
Yeah.
Just comfortable. I feel very comfortable with you guys. And
Likewise.
family.
That word.
Grounding.
Mm-hmm.
Liberating.
Yes.
Oh yes, darling.
Yep. Exciting.
Bold.
For sure. I was gonna use another word, but I settled with bold. Let's start there.
You mean ballsy?
Actually, this is just going to be for the sake of the fun of it. You can interpret it however you like, but my face felt very wet today.
Yeah. That's right.
Yep.
Me, 5 words, right?
Yep.
We'll see you next season.
Gila profesional host. I was so nervous doing this because I've never done it before.
You did well.
And then
She's
kalian
always
semua, yeah, I'm
the
always
scene.
behind the camera, and you guys are like all professional.
Thank you for being our anchor.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You and Mandarin, like super anchors. And you guys were the busybodies. We come here, we
terima
finish.
Yeah. Mungkin sebelum kita udahan, I would like to thank our team behind the cameras right now.
Terima
We want Fahmi also. Fahmi. Dude, come
I was
here.
gonna do this.
Come here. No, come.
Ada Fahmi, ayo fashion show satu-satu.
Yeah, it's always been a girl, but you know what? There's always a dude behind
Ini
a girl.
Fahmi.
Yes.
Thank you.
Ada Bang Ben di sana, Om Ben, ayo Om Ben. Ada Om Ben, ada Kakak Ricky di belakang sana.
Thank you.
Ada Lia, ada
Yes.
Soli di sini.
Ada Gary juga.
Ada Dani,
Gary.
ada Gary, photographer.
Baby G in the back.
Ada Angga dan Bamel di makeup and hair.
Thank you.
There's my friend right here, Thomas.
Yang di belakang, yang di window.
Dan ada Pak Dahlan.
This is our
Repot
tribe.
banget setiap hari pasang butterfly di luar. Thank you so much, guys, for this very first season's experience. Oh, before we end this, I was gonna do this. I almost forgot.
Oh yes, please.
This is important.
Oh, it's always fun to do that
Yeah, it's
oracle
always fun to
thing.
do this. So,
Oke.
Satu kan?
Yeah.
Oke. Ini beda yang sama kemarin kamu bawa ya, Sa?
Sama dong.
Kamu? Oke.
Do we have
We pick
gold?
one?
You're wearing gold, honey.
She's the gold member.
This is the woo shit. Ooh, I like this.
Ooh. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, I like this.
Please.
Oh, so sweet.
What's yours?
Regeneration.
Only just because we have the next season.
Yeah.
What's yours?
Exchanging gifts.
Unfinished Symphony.
Ooh.
I like this because
Regeneration.
Yes.
Carol, what's yours? It's the soft energy.
Yeah.
It's the feminine energy.
Yes.
Oh.
It's the feminine energy.
My husband's gonna get me the gold.
Your regeneration.
Blessed.
Aku regeneration.
Exchanging gifts.
Coba
This is
dibaca,
a gift.
dibaca.
We exchange.
Mine is peace.
Kita bacanya mungkin off camera karena udah mau
Okay.
Yes.
meninggal kamera.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you guys so much.
See you next season.
Thank you for watching.
Well, let's go.
Nih coba baca.
What does this mean?
Nah, ini dibacain satu-satu sama Mela.
Thank you so much, guys.
Oh, I thought you were gonna give
Okay.
Baby,
Yin.
babe, exchanging gifts like
Yin is the feminine principle of receptivity. And I told you, you have to be receptive. Letting someone else make the first move, gathering information and taking in cues, the art of conscious allowing.
I help you, darling.
Iya,
You're
ini
like,
tuh
okay,
bener-bener sums up
Yes.
energi lo saat ini. You have to be in this energy. Are you already?
ready, lah.
46.
She's not like her ego is suppressed this time. It's like,
That's
okay,
true.
darling,
That's true.
I'll collaborate with you.
46. You. Kita yang atasnya aja ya. Nanti baca sendiri.
Gimana?
Strategy, being analytical.
wait.
Salah. 46. Don't forget to
Like,
subscribe, comment,
And share.